Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this simple DIY for an antique glass effect. I first saw how to do this on HGTV Handmade, so shout out to them for teaching me this awesome, affordable hack. Step 1 is to remove the plastic from one side of the plexiglass and make sure that surface is clean. Using your spray bottle that's filled with equal parts vinegar and water, spritz your plexiglass. Now with antique glass, the outer edges are usually more worn, so try to keep your droplets closer to the outer edges and not so much in the middle. Using your mirror spray paint, spray the entire piece of plexiglass and make sure it's well covered. Be careful not to spray too close and move around your water droplets. This is the most tedious step, guys, and you need to make sure that your paint is almost fully dry before doing this. But take a paper towel and soak up the water droplets as best that you can. This is a very important step because soaking up those droplets is what's going to give us that antique look. After soaking up those droplets, the last step is to spray the entire piece of plexiglass with the black spray paint. Make sure you get a nice solid coat. Alright guys, and that's basically it. All you have to do is peel off the other side of the plexiglass once the paint is dry, and then it's ready to be used. I love how this looks in my cabinet makeover I just did. Be sure to head over to my channel to check out that video.